If you're choosing between OpenClaw and NullClaw, the real decision is not just features, it's how much power you need versus how simple you want your setup to be. OpenClaw is a full autonomous AI agent system. It runs on your computer or server and can actually perform tasks like sending emails, managing files, or automating workflows across apps like WhatsApp or Slack. In a real workflow, it acts like a digital worker that can run continuously and handle complex tasks for you. It's completely free and open source, so there's no subscription cost, but you still pay for AI API usage and hosting if you don't run it locally. That means you can start building services or automation tools and potentially make money immediately by offering those solutions to clients. But it does have a downside. It's complex to set up and can even raise security risks if you don't understand what you're doing, so beginners may struggle or make mistakes early. NullClaw is a much lighter version built around the same idea, but stripped down. It works as a minimal AI gateway that routes messages to your chosen AI model, and it runs extremely fast with very low resource usage. In simple terms, it's like the engine only, without all the extra features. It's also free to run as software, but again, you pay for API usage. This makes it cheaper to deploy and easier to host, especially on small servers or low-cost setups. You can start building small automation tools or simple bots quickly, which can still be monetized through services or SaaS ideas. But I found some downside. Because it's minimal, it lacks built-in automation features, so you'll need to build more things yourself, which can slow down non-technical users. So in real use, OpenClaw is best if you want a powerful all-in-one AI agent that can handle complex workflows and help you build bigger systems. NullClaw is better if you want something lightweight, fast, and easier to deploy, especially for simple tasks or learning. They don't fully compete, they sit on the same spectrum. OpenClaw is the full system, while NullClaw is the minimal core.